Managing tasks can sometimes feel overwhelming. The Eisenhower Matrix is a simple tool that helps you decide what to do first by dividing tasks into 4 categories based on urgency and importance. The Matrix is named after Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th President of the United States. He was known for his ability to organize and prioritize effectively. The Eisenhower Matrix divides tasks into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, urgent and important. These tasks require immediate attention. They often involve deadlines or crises. Examples include urgent work projects, medical emergencies, or important meetings happening soon. These tasks should be done right away because delaying them can cause problems. Quadrant 2, not urgent but important. These tasks are important for long-term success but do not need immediate action. Examples include planning, exercising, learning new skills, or building relationships. These tasks help prevent future problems and improve your life. It is important to schedule time for these tasks regularly. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. These tasks feel urgent because they demand your attention, but they do not contribute much to your goals. Examples include interruptions like some phone calls, emails, or minor requests from others. The best approach is to delegate these tasks to someone else or limit the time you spend on them. Quadrant 4, not urgent and not important. These tasks are distractions or time wasters. Examples include excessive social media scrolling, watching TV without purpose, or unnecessary browsing. These tasks should be minimized or avoided as much as possible. Using the Eisenhower Matrix helps to focus on what really matters. It reduces stress by organizing tasks clearly and making decision-making easier. To use the Matrix, list all your tasks. Assign each task to one of the 4 quadrants. Start with Quadrant 1 tasks. Handle urgent and important tasks first. Schedule time daily or weekly for Quadrant 2 tasks to improve productivity and growth. Delegate or say no to Quadrant 3 tasks when possible. Avoid Quadrant 4 tasks as they waste your valuable time. By regularly using the Eisenhower Matrix, you can work smarter, not harder. It helps you spend more time on activities that bring real results and less on distractions. Remember, not everything urgent is important and not everything important is urgent. Prioritizing with this method makes life easier and work more efficient. Try applying the Eisenhower Matrix today. Organize your tasks, focus on what matters, and watch your productivity improve.